Welcome. Adsotech is a proud partner of Precisely, specializing in data management and automation solutions that help streamline and optimize business processes. Today, we're excited to show you a demo that highlights how our solutions can simplify complex tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance data accuracy within your SAP environment. Let's take a closer look at how that works in action. In this demo, I will show you an example of an Automate Studio round trip solution. In a round trip solution, we are using Studio Query to read data from SAP to Excel. Then we can change the data in the Excel and upload data back to SAP. This ensures quick updates without manual entry in SAP, minimizing errors and saving time. In this example, we have material sales status data both on the client level and also on the sales area level. So I'll go to my Studio menu here in the Excel add-in, and I'll select my query script and then run the query to extract data from SAP into Excel. First, I need to log into SAP, so it's using my own credentials, meaning we're respecting all of the existing SAP security. The developer of this script has defined these preset data as the criteria, and I'll filter the query using these default values. So now we've received the data from the SAP material description, the sales area, material type group, and then the status data with the validity dates. What I can do now is I'll filter on a value like this so that I can work with just the data that I need to make the changes. And then I'll change the data, so I'll change the date and the code like this, and I can copy that to the other lines here. This streamlined process enables fast and accurate data modification directly within Excel. Because we are in Excel, we can also use other Excel functionality such as formulas or other rules. Then I'll save the data file, and now I will return to Studio. Now I'll switch to the transaction script and change the run mode so that we can filter the rows in Excel and run only on the filtered data. First, I'll validate the data. In validation mode, the system simulates data entry into SAP without saving any changes. As you can see in the log, the validation is successful, meaning the data is correct and ready for upload. Now I'll proceed with the actual run, where the data will be updated to SAP. As you can see, we've now made changes to 7 records, and we have no error messages in our run log, so they've been uploaded to SAP successfully. After removing the filter, I'll clear the logs and rerun the query to verify that the data was successfully changed. As you can see, the code has changed from 04 to 03, and the date information has also been updated, confirming that the changes were applied to SAP as expected. As you can imagine, if you're doing pricing changes or mass updates to other data with hundreds or even thousands of rows, this can save a tremendous amount of time compared to manual entry in SAP. And by automating these tasks, it's not only accelerating the process, but you also minimize the risk of errors that often come with manual data input. In this demo, we've been using material data, but this could also apply across SAP to plant maintenance, sales data, vendor data, HR data, finance data. So it really is a versatile tool. Thank you for watching.